Oh, look, I think, they're a quality side. They are the top for a reason. And I think we had two really good quarters. Quarter 1, quarter 3 were great. 2 and 4 a little bit, hit and miss. But that's the pressure that they put us under. And they probably deserve to be number 1.
Chelsea, final game for the Cardiff Dragons, last game of the season. Is it an emotional one for you?
Yeah, definitely emotional one. Having my children here, my husband, made it worthwhile.
You mentioned that quarter 3 tactical timeout. What was said because you came out with the blocks firing?
Yeah, look, I felt like they had a bit of a flow on. I just thought we needed to sort of regroup and regather, and we came out of that quite well. So that was good because we haven't always done that in the past.
I think getting those wins away is great, and especially last week going all the way to Leeds and making that trip worth it was amazing, but winning at home in front of your home crowd, there's nothing quite like it. So I think that's something that we're definitely going to look to for next year, and the why and how we can improve. I mean, it was a relatively new group this year, new coach, new situation, so we did build throughout the season. I think the team that we had at round 1 here versus the team that we've had today are completely different, so I'm really proud of the way that we've built, and I just think bigger and better. We're just pushing into really cool things.
3 years in France for you?
3 years in France, and we're very excited as a family about the opportunity.
Oh, well, good luck. It's been a brilliant season. Thanks, Chelsea.
Thank you.